What's up, guys? Day 5 of learning SQL, and today we are going to look at the having clause. The having clause filters groups of rows created by the group by clause. It works on aggregated functions after the group by clause successfully runs. Before using the having clause, we must first execute the group by clause. In our case, let's say we want to group the gender column from the employee demographics table. Now we group by gender, right? By gender, close that and run it. As you can see, the gender column is grouped into male and female. Now, when we introduce the aggregate function, let's say we want to find the average age of these two gender groups. So the average age. You can see now the two gender groups, male and female, have different average ages. Let's say we want to find, out of these two gender groups, we want to find the one that has an average age of more than 40. That's where the having clause comes in. So it only comes in after we've executed the group by clause. So it comes down here and you say having the average age now. Average age greater than 40 and 40. So what this essentially means is that it selects the gender group that has an average age of more than 40 after we've grouped the gender column and introduced the aggregate function. So that's it for the having clause. Let's meet on the next one.